Dive into the world of indoor cycling with the stationary bike, a staple for low-impact, high-intensity cardiovascular workouts. Unlike its road-going cousins, this wheelless wonder is designed to build stamina and endurance without leaving the comfort of your home. Selecting the perfect exercise bike is crucial. Whether it's the traditional upright, the intense spin bike, the versatile dual action, or the comfortable recumbent, each offers a unique riding experience. Consider the available space in your room and your budget. If space is tight or funds are limited, a manual bike might be your best bet, or perhaps a pre-owned electric model for those craving advanced features without the hefty price tag. Proper bike setup is key to an effective workout. Adjust the seat and handlebars to match your comfort level. Ensure the seat supports your body weight and allows for slight movement. Your knees should have a slight bend, and when pedaling, keep your forward knee directly over the pedal axis. Adjust the seat and handlebars to avoid any strain on your neck, shoulders, or back. And remember, the fit should allow for a natural posture without overextending. Finally, master the resistance settings to control the intensity of your workout. The display panel will guide you through various levels and programs. Adjust the resistance to challenge yourself, but ensure it's manageable to maintain a smooth pedal stroke. Keep an eye on the RPM to track your cycling pace. With these tips, you're ready to embark on a rewarding journey to fitness with your stationary bike.